In the hustle and bustle of daily life, finding peace can feel like a distant dream. We are constantly bombarded with information, deadlines, and demands on our time and attention. But finding peace is not a luxury. It's essential for our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. When we are at peace, we are better able to cope with challenges, make sound decisions, and experience joy and contentment. Taking time for ourselves to cultivate inner peace allows us to recharge and reconnect with our true selves. By prioritizing peace, we create space for clarity, creativity, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Finding peace is a journey, not a destination. Nature has an innate ability to soothe our souls and bring us back to a place of peace and tranquility. The gentle rustling of leaves, the soothing sound of flowing water, and the warmth of the sun on our skin all have a calming effect on our nervous systems. In nature, we find a sense of vastness and perspective that helps us to realize that our problems, no matter how significant they may seem, are often small in the grand scheme of things. Whether it's a walk in the woods, a day at the beach, or simply sitting under a tree, spending time in nature allows us to reconnect with our true selves and find a sense of peace that eludes us in the busyness of everyday life. Meditation offers a pathway to cultivate inner peace and connect with the present moment. Through the practice of mindfulness, we learn to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment, allowing them to come and go like passing clouds. Meditation helps us to develop a sense of awareness of our internal landscape, noticing the rise and fall of our breath, the sensations in our bodies, and the patterns of our thoughts. With regular practice, meditation can help us develop a sense of inner calm and resilience, enabling us to navigate the challenges of life with greater ease and grace. Imagine yourself stepping away from the cacophony of daily life and into a world orchestrated by the gentle hand of nature. The sounds of the natural world have an unparalleled ability to soothe our souls and transport us to a realm of tranquility. Unlike the jarring noises of urban environments, nature's symphony is composed of harmonious frequencies that resonate deeply within us, calming our minds and inviting a sense of profound peace. As we immerse ourselves in this natural soundscape, our minds begin to unwind, releasing the grip of worries and anxieties. Among the many soothing sounds of nature, the gentle flow of water holds a special place in our hearts. The rhythmic lapping of waves against the shore, the babbling of a brook tumbling over stones, or the gentle trickle of a fountain all possess an inherent tranquility that speaks directly to our souls. The gentle, repetitive nature of these sounds creates a hypnotic effect, lulling our minds into a state of calm and serenity. As we listen to the flow of water, our thoughts begin to slow down, and our breathing becomes deeper and more rhythmic. The gentle flow washes away stress and tension, leaving us feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The wind, as it moves through the trees, creates a symphony of whispers and rustles that can be incredibly calming and meditative. The gentle swaying of branches, the fluttering of leaves, and the soft whooshing sounds as the wind whispers through the canopy all combine to create a natural lullaby that can soothe even the most troubled mind. These sounds are not merely pleasant to the ear. They also have a grounding effect, reminding us of our connection to the natural world. The rustling of leaves can be particularly calming, as the gentle friction creates a soft, white noise that can help to block out distracting thoughts and promote a sense of tranquility. For centuries, Tibetan singing bowls have been used in meditation practices for their unique ability to create a sense of deep relaxation and inner peace. These ancient instruments, traditionally crafted from an alloy of 7 metals, each representing a celestial body, produce a rich, resonant sound that vibrates throughout our bodies, calming the mind and promoting a sense of well-being. The sounds produced by Tibetan singing bowls are more than just pleasing to the ear. They create a complex tapestry of overtones and vibrations that resonate deeply within us, promoting a sense of harmony and balance. As the rich tones of the singing bowls wash over us, our minds become more still, and we enter a state of deep relaxation. The use of Tibetan singing bowls in meditation can enhance the practice, allowing us to reach deeper states of relaxation and connect more profoundly with our inner selves. Stepping into nature is akin to stepping into a sanctuary for the mind, a place where the weight of our worries and anxieties gradually lifts, replaced by a sense of serenity and peace. The natural world, with its gentle rhythms and breathtaking beauty, has an uncanny ability to soothe our souls and remind us of the simple joys of existence. As we immerse ourselves in the sights, sounds, and scents of nature, our minds begin to unwind, releasing the grip of overthinking and allowing us to simply be present in the moment. Nature's embrace is a balm for the weary soul, a place where we can reconnect with our true selves and find solace from the demands of modern life. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a meadow, surrounded by a sea of emerald green, wildflowers swaying gently in the breeze. The air is alive with the buzz of insects and the sweet melodies of birdsong. As you breathe in the fresh, clean air, you feel a sense of calm wash over you, a sense of stillness settling deep within. Being surrounded by greenery can help to reduce stress hormones, lower blood pressure, and promote a sense of well-being. The intricate patterns of leaves, the delicate petals of flowers, and the play of light and shadow create a visual feast that captivates our minds and invites us to slow down and appreciate the simple wonders of the natural world. Nature moves to the rhythm of its own drum, a slow, steady beat that has guided life on Earth for millennia. The rising and setting of the sun, the ebb and flow of the tides, and the changing seasons all remind us that we are part of a larger cycle, a grand symphony of existence that unfolds with or without our conscious awareness. Tuning into these natural rhythms can have a profound impact on our well-being. By observing and attuning ourselves to these rhythms, we can begin to find a sense of peace and balance within ourselves. The natural world invites us to slow down, to pay attention, to be fully present in the moment. When we step away from the distractions of our daily lives and immerse ourselves in nature, we create space for mindfulness to blossom. As we walk through a forest, we might notice the feel of the earth beneath our feet, the scent of pine needles in the air, or the sound of birdsong filling the trees. These moments of mindful awareness, however fleeting, can have a profound impact on our well-being. By cultivating presence in nature's embrace, we cultivate a deeper connection to ourselves, to the world around us, and to the present moment. In the heart of the Himalayas, where towering peaks pierce the sky and ancient traditions weave their way into the fabric of life, the resonant tones of Tibetan singing bowls have echoed for centuries. These enigmatic instruments, often referred to as standing bells or Himalayan bowls, hold within their depths a rich history intertwined with spiritual practices, healing rituals, and a profound understanding of sound as a transformative force. For generations, Tibetan monks have used these bowls in meditation and healing ceremonies, believing that the sounds they produce can harmonize the body's energy centers, promote deep relaxation, and awaken a heightened state of awareness. The rich, resonant tones, often described as the sound of the universe, have the power to transport us beyond the confines of our thoughts, inviting us to connect with a deeper sense of peace and tranquility. While the use of Tibetan singing bowls in meditation and healing has been passed down through generations of spiritual practitioners, modern science is beginning to unravel the mysteries behind their profound effects on our well-being. At the heart of these effects lies the understanding that everything in the universe is in a constant state of vibration, from the smallest atoms to the vast expanse of space. Our bodies, too, are composed of vibrating energy, and these vibrations can be influenced by external frequencies, including sound waves. The low-frequency sounds produced by these bowls, often referred to as brainwave entrainment, have been shown to induce a state of deep relaxation, similar to that achieved through meditation. Imagine yourself settling into a comfortable seated position, your spine erect, your shoulders relaxed, your eyes gently closed. As you take a deep breath in, you hear the gentle strike of a Tibetan singing bowl, its resonant tones filling the space around you, washing over you like waves on a tranquil shore. With each exhale, you allow yourself to sink deeper into a state of relaxation, your mind quieting, your body surrendering to the soothing vibrations. The sounds of the singing bowl act as a focal point, drawing your attention away from distracting thoughts and guiding you toward a state of inner stillness. Integrating Tibetan singing bowls into your meditation can deepen your relaxation and connection with your inner self. The resonant tones of these ancient instruments serve as a powerful tool on your journey inward. Find a quiet space to meditate without distractions. Choose a comfortable seated position, ensuring your spine is erect and your body relaxed. Hold the bowl in your non-dominant hand or rest it on a soft surface. Gently strike the rim with a mallet, letting the sound resonate fully. Alternatively, rotate the mallet around the rim for a continuous sound. Focus on your breath, letting each inhale and exhale guide you deeper into relaxation. Nature, music, and meditation enrich our lives and nurture our well-being. These elements are interconnected threads creating a tapestry of serenity. Immersing ourselves in nature opens us to healing sounds. Natural rhythms soothe our souls and reconnect us with the earth. Tibetan singing bowls guide us to inner peace and harmony. They create a sonic landscape that calms our thoughts. By embracing these practices, we create a sanctuary for our minds. We reconnect with our true nature, peaceful, joyful, and interconnected. In a chaotic world, inner peace is more precious than ever. It's a birthright within each of us, waiting to be nurtured. By fostering serenity daily, we tend to our well-being, allowing inner peace to blossom. Inner peace is a dynamic journey of self-discovery and alignment with our values. It helps us navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. The rewards of inner peace are boundless, radiating calm and tranquility to others. We become more patient, compassionate, and present, creating a ripple effect of peace. The journey towards serenity begins not with grand gestures, but with small, intentional steps taken one day at a time. It's about making time for the practices that nourish your soul, whether it's a walk in nature, listening to calming music, or dedicating a few moments each day to meditation. As you embark on this journey, remember to be patient and compassionate with yourself. There will be days when it feels effortless to connect with a sense of peace, and days when the weight of the world feels heavy on your shoulders. Embrace these moments as part of the journey, knowing that even amidst challenges, the seed of serenity you have planted within will continue to grow. Trust in the process and allow yourself to be guided by the wisdom of your own heart. The path to serenity is yours to create, a tapestry woven from the threads of nature, music, meditation, and the unwavering belief in your own innate capacity for peace. As you cultivate inner peace, you become a beacon of light, illuminating the world around you with the radiance of your own heart's wisdom.